Alright, good morning, class. Welcome to another daily lesson on context clues. I hope everyone's doing great. This video is being recorded on Wednesday, October 21st, 2020. So, you'll see this video on the 22nd for most of y'all. Maybe the 23rd. Alright, what we're going to do today is we're going to keep working through context clues. We're going to go through a video today discussing and just work through some examples. I hope everyone watched the video yesterday and reworked and get logged in. We went over IXL the other day, some IXL questions on the worksheet, and maybe today we'll go through this video and then maybe a few questions on Kahoot, so everyone's on the same page. Alright, let's go ahead and jump right into this. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to slide this over. Alright, so let's look at these questions. Alright, so we're going to use context clues to determine. Let's go big screen here. Actually, let's go full screen. Full screen is not going to work. It's not going to show me enough. So we'll just do. There we go. All right. So we're going to use context clues to determine meaning, and we're just going to go through how we're going to do this. So let's just take a start. Jump into it. Jill must find an alternate time for her appointment since she already has something on her schedule. Alright, so we're looking for the word alternate. So our context clues are what's happening in the sentence. She already has something on her schedule. So if she's looking for something alternate, she's looking for something bold, longer, different, or swift. Alright, so it's not going to be bold or swift, right? Because nothing about her having something on her schedule means that she needs to have something bold or swift. So is it going to be longer or different? Well, it doesn't say anything about time, so alternate we're going to be looking for is different. Okay? See how we use the clues there? Alright. Miss Hall loves the old spelling program, so she will integrate the old program with the new program. So, she loves the old program, so she's going to integrate the old program with the new program. So if she loves the old one, is she going to fix it? No, because she loves it. Is she going to separate it? Probably not, because she loves it. Is she going to trash it? No, she's not going to trash it because she loves it. So is she going to combine the old with the new? Integrate. Yes, she's going to decombine. Why is she going to do that? Because she loves the old one. She wants to put it in with the new one. Okay? So let's skip forward here. Alright. Did you contribute to the food drive, or do you still need to bring something? Alright. Contribute. Did you contribute to the food drive, or do you still need to bring something? Alright. If you're contributing, are you running because you still need to bring something? Are you texting because you still need to bring something? Are you giving because you still need to bring something? Are you walking? Alright. So using the context clues that she hasn't bought anything yet, she has to bring something, or she has to give something. Okay? The principal asked me to document or record all instances of bullying in my class. So our keyword, our context clue right there is instances. So if she's documenting, is she skipping or recording? So, or record. So it gives you the definition, what it means to record. What does it mean to record? To write, to understand, ignore, skip. This is a definition context clues. Remember, if we're looking at idea, that mnemonic device, this would be the definition, or record. So it's telling you exactly what it is. So if we're documenting something, we're also going to be writing it. Alright, moving ahead. although the weather reporter said if would be if it would be partly cloudy, I predict that it will rain heavily. Alright, although, here's our key, although the weather reporter said it would be cloudy, I'm predicting it will rain heavily. So, are you misunderstanding it? Are you foreseeing it? Are you ignoring it? Or are you forgetting it? I forget that it will rain heavily. I ignore that it will rain heavily. I misunderstood that it would rain. Alright, so our two options that might work here are misunderstood or foresee. The key here is that she says although. She's saying the weather reporter is going to do one thing. I think it's going to do something else. So, I predict or foresee that something else will happen. Okay, so we're using the context of the sentence to get our answer. I don't know the exact time of the concert, but it's approximately 3 o'clock. So she doesn't, he doesn't know the exact time, but it's approximately, roughly, exactly, precisely, or never. So exactly or precisely would say, I know that the exact time of the concert is 3 o'clock. That means she knows exactly or precisely. But it's never 3 o'clock or roughly 3 o'clock. She doesn't know, but she knows it's around, close to. So it's roughly 3 o'clock, all right? Using what we know from the sentence, we're getting our answer. Okay, moving ahead. Keep moving. Going through these. Doesn't want to cooperate. Give me a second, guys. Alright. So, that is all we have for this. Alright, so I hope that was helpful. Let's go ahead and jump into our Kahoot, alright? A couple of Kahoot questions. Alright, so obviously you scroll down, you did your IXL. Let's just do this context clues. Alright, take a couple minutes and go through this. So your questions on your Kahoot. So you are very, 9 of you have played, great job. We'll go ahead and just put class, and all you gotta do, and then jump right into it. What are context clues? Clues near the reader help the reader find the meaning. It's the main idea. The clues to a text about the meaning of a passage of character. So they help the reader find the meaning of a word, about the meaning of a passage or a character. One of the two. Which one is it? Yes, find the meaning of a word. It's not about the meaning of a passage or a character. Alright? It's primarily just what the word means, the context of what the word might be. Okay? If we're going to define context clues, how would we define it? You're making a guess based on evidence, words or phrases that define another word in the text, materials used in research, or the part of the sentence surrounding the word. Alright, so it's words or phrases that help define another word in the text. Okay? What can you find using context clues? Definitions of words or phrases you don't understand. I don't know what that is. I was hiding in a closet the whole time. Definitions of words or phrases that you don't understand. Alright, that's one. Good. What are the 4 types of context clues? Should have got this from your PowerPoint. Example, context clues, definition, simile, definition, example, anonym, synonym, example, definition, anonym, words. These are not 4 types. Alright. Definition, example, anonym, synonym. Alright? Anonym. Opposite meaning, synonym, same meaning, example, or the actual definition. Good job, everyone. Couple more. Using the context clues, and the word infallible in this sentence means Katie appeared infallible in math because she had never gotten a problem wrong. So she never got a problem wrong. If she was infallible, she was never wrong, appeared never wrong in math. Mistaken, because she never got one wrong. She was fast, because she never got one wrong. Appeared easy. Okay? It was easy or never wrong. She appeared never wrong because she never got a problem wrong. So if something is never wrong, easy, I would take easy too. So, yeah, never wrong or easy would work. Find the group with keywords for anonym or contrasting context clues. The keywords. What are the keywords for anonym or context clues? But, however, always, is, means, called, or, for instance, such as, dashes and comma. Alright, so when we have an anonym is the opposite, right? So it is not, for instance, would be an example. Dashes or commas, no. Anonym is opposite, so but, however, otherwise, right? It's the opposite. That was a tough one. Good job for y'all. You got it right. Excellent. Read the following sentences. Use context clues. What does the word pentathlon mean? Zach was good at many sports. He excelled in swimming, running, horsemanship, fencing, and target shooting. He decided to compete in pentathlon and running, having to choose one of the events. 2 events, 10 events, 8 events, 5 events. Alright. Gives you how many events? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It gives you examples. Okay? So it's not 2, 10, 8. It's 5 because it gives you the 5 events. Right? Alright. One more. We are done. Good job on that. You guys are doing well. True or false? Main idea is context. We all know that's going to be false, right? Alright. We'll do one more because that was a quick one. Main idea and the context clues are different. Synonym of jubilation. Alright. Remember, synonyms and antonyms are context clues. So what is synonym? Same meaning. So is jubilation happiness or pride? If you're jubilated, if you have jubilation, you are happy. Cause I'm happy. Alright. So we just went through 10 of the questions on context clues. Alright, we're going to leave this page. I hope that was helpful. You've got 2 Kahoots, so you can do those. You got your IXL. I put them right here. We went through that the other day. Here's your PowerPoint, your video, questions, your worksheets. Guys, when you do your worksheets, please make sure that you don't just give me the definition, but you tell me what the context clues were to find that definition. And then I've added the reworks, which I talked about yesterday's lesson. So please make sure you go in that. Reading more. The more you read, the better you're going to get at it. Alright. Hope this helps. This is our video for the day. Please reach out to me on Google Meet or during office hours 1 to 2 or 4 to 5 in the afternoon and all morning. Have a great rest of your day, and talk to you all soon.